Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this little fella. Right over here I've got the Reate Wave for a quick maintenance review, but hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think about this kind of stuff that I'm showing to you. Check out fablades.com and maybe Instagram as well. So in order to take this guy apart, you're gonna need a T8 Torx bit screw and a screwdriver, of course. Pretty simple construction over here. That is a T10, so don't get yourself fooled with that T8 or you're gonna risk to mar the nicely done pivot. So there you go. Pretty straightforward disassembly for this guy. 2 screws, just wiggle gently the scale, which should be able to pop out like this. You've got a simple construction. This guy is from 2016, so that is why it's you know, like for example, you got caged plastic caged bearings, but they are still ceramic. Then you see, just pop the backspacer out. You want to maybe pull out also this set of bearing over here. Take this no, sorry, it's like a padded, not padded, sorry, like alcohol swab, alcohol, how do you call this? This is a swab. So just cleaning out that with this, all right? Clean out the bearing tracks, clean out this spacer, because of course titanium and ceramic, they don't really get along very well. Clean out this here, don't lose the stop pin, put it back, and pretty much boom, you are in business. Just clean that up, and we are ready to put everything back together. Look at that. It's gonna be pretty quick video. Grab some 10 weight nano oil and just 1, 2, 3 dabs. One little dab that was way too much on the detent ball, and then you got your blade back in and grab that bearings, and again 1, 2, and 3. And that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget the backspacer going in. This guy is keyed in like so. So there you go. You got yourself your knife back together. You can also grab a little bit of blue Loctite if you want to make sure this guy is not going anywhere, and just coat a little bit of the tip. Now this is just like that for a second. Switch the bit, grab that T8, go back to your handle screw, which is in like so. Look at this, pretty straightforward here. So let me see. We are gonna make sure that this guy is, yes, like that. Don't over tighten that. Let's make sure that this guy is all the way in. See, the pivot is sticking out just a little bit. That is normal. It's probably too much. Let's just do a little bit less until the blade is like centered. Look at this. Very nice. No blade play. Maybe we can go a little bit farther, like so. No, there's a little bit of blade play, so let's get back to where we were before. Check the blade centering, check the blade play. Yes, guys, this is a very good one. It's smooth, like it doesn't drop shot like your classic Reate, because probably the blade is, I mean, also like there's some meat over here, but it's pretty pleasant. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.